Okay, hello guys. Kamu tengok bilikku yang saya siapkan. 1 minggu juga lah siap. Tengok, tak puji lagi pakai baju ikut tema bilik biru dengan putih. Okay, so have a look. Yes. Jadi basically apa yang aku mau buat is aku mau kasih semua putih, and then we have some pop colors of blue. Yes, blue baby. Blue. And then entah kenapa sini ada warna merah, tapi okay lah, sebab bag ni aku tak pernah pakai pun, my mom belikan. And I make this shoe rack out of my clothes. Apa ni, wardrobe? Bukan wardrobe, rack juga lah, rack. Dulu dia rack, then I make it into this shoe rack. It's all my shoes there. And then I've painted this cupboard white. It's originally wooden pattern. And then of course my blue bed. Why I make this room biru sebenarnya sebab because of this lah. I don't really like blue, but I have to make it nice. And then of course the leather, I like it so much. It fits the room, it fits the theme, and this is my collections of the tin that I like. And then what else? And also I've painted this white, and then this is my grandma's, my late grandma's topi, and of course my schedule. And then the wallpaper. I want, sebenarnya aku pilih this brick pattern before I decide all the concepts of this room. So it's brick. And then okay, the toilet door is new. It's grey. Di kedai tiada yang warna putih. Aku mau cari warna putih, tapi only the grey that fits the concept lah. Okay, so basically that's it lah guys. Okay, bye bye. Berperlu aku ni John.